Hi, I'm Matt Muenster, home improvement TV host. And for years, I've helped homeowners transform their homes. But now it's time to focus on mine. When I moved into this house about 5 years ago, I knew window replacement was going to be happening soon. And you saw the windows too, you knew it too. But I knew that it was going to be tricky. This house has these giant windows, and design's a big, important thing to me. That's why the blueprints are up on the wall, so I knew it was going to be a project. But I also knew I wanted windows that were going to be low maintenance, energy efficient, and I knew it was going to be a tall order. But I'm super psyched about how it turned out. And actually, Andrew, who's the general manager of Renewed by Andersen's here to check it out.
How you doing, Matt? Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Yeah. What do you think? I'm gonna put you on the spot.
Well, what I love so much about what we did here was we didn't do anything funky, right? We didn't transform it and make it look out of place. In fact, we opened it up and gave you a really dynamic view of what you've got in the backyard now.
And this is the only thing I think we even deviated a little bit from the blueprints. Because before this was operable here and then two big windows. And now we have operable, and one massive window.
We hit kind of the three main points that we care about so much. We improved your energy efficiency, we minimized your maintenance, and the best part is, it looks beautiful. The changes that you made, although subtle, I think have been really dynamic and made a big difference.
There's a couple other parts in the house I want you to see.
I'd love to see them, yeah, right. Absolutely.
Follow me, I'll show you.
Sounds great.
Okay, so courtyard. One of the coolest parts of this whole house. It's one of the things that sold me on it. You get this outdoor area, but you're completely enclosed, so you got privacy. But before, this was rotten. Rotten to the point I could stick my finger through that wood frame. Into my kids' room, nonetheless. As cool as this space is, it's the only thing I saw, right?
Sure.
And with Fibrix, I'm not gonna have to worry about that anymore.
Never again.
Yeah.
That's the great thing about Fibrix. You won't have to paint it. It's minimum maintenance.
Right, exactly. And as awesome as it was to focus in on the window replacement thing, not thinking about it from this point forward is kind of the reason why I wanted to go with Renewed by Andersen. So one of the cool things about a Rapson house is he incorporates black into the windows. And the fact that you guys could do this and allow me to maintain that look, not only with all the lowers, but downstairs in the basement, was such a cool thing. And I know it's important here because it was in the drawings, but I think it's becoming an important element for almost anyone to incorporate black in your windows. You guys find this too?
Yep, black and white are such integral colors right now of design.
Yeah.
And with us, you're always gonna get options. It doesn't have to just be white. It can be black, it can be a variety of other things as well.
To get that look and to maintain the integrity of the Rapson house and all that was such a huge deal. So, thank you. I'm in love with this. I'm actually in love with that whole installation, the whole process. And the cool thing about hosting a home improvement show for a lot of years is I attended a lot of after parties. But none for me, until now. So you can't have a home improvement process without an ugly before, a pretty after, and a bash at the end. So, tune in next time for party time.